Are you struggling to record vendor refunds accurately in QuickBooks? Maybe you returned an item, got a refund from a supplier, or received a credit that needs to reflect in your books. Don't worry. In this 2025 updated guide, I'll walk you through the easiest and most accurate way to record refunds from vendors in QuickBooks, step by step, so your accounts stay clean and error-free. Let's get started. When you receive a refund from a vendor, it's important to track it properly to ensure your expenses are accurate and your accounts payable match up. Here's how to do it. First, log into your QuickBooks account and open the plus new button on the left panel. From here, you have two main options depending on the refund type: bank deposit or vendor credit. If the vendor directly deposited money back into your bank account or sent you a refund check, choose bank deposit. Select the bank account where the money was refunded. In the Received From field, select the vendor's name. Under the payment method, choose how the refund came in, like check, bank transfer, or cash. For the Received From category, choose the same expense account you originally used for that purchase. Enter the refund amount and any notes if needed. Finally, click Save and Close. Now, if your vendor issued a credit instead of sending money back, for example, they want you to apply it to a future bill, use the Vendor Credit option. Click Vendor Credit from the Plus New menu. Select the vendor's name. Choose the expense category or item related to that credit. Enter the amount and details, then save. This credit will now appear when you create or pay future bills, ensuring your payments are reduced accordingly. A key tip: always cross-check your bank statement or credit note with the recorded entry to ensure accuracy. Misplaced refunds can lead to duplicate payments or mismatched accounts, and that's it. Recording vendor refunds in QuickBooks is actually very simple once you know which option to use: bank deposit for direct refunds and vendor credit for future credits. Follow this method, and your bookkeeping will always stay clean and accurate. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.